like to thank the Powers for inviting us this evening. It's a beautiful, beautiful home, and we couldn't have asked for better volunteers. I think Mena is my friend for life, along with a lot of other people. We were very fortunate. We had wonderful volunteers, great people who did this with passion and grace. Oftentimes it wasn't easy. Sometimes people said things that weren't kind or generous. And we worked through it. We were together, and we persevered, and we did it. We won. And we won because we really changed this country, as the President said. We brought people together and we changed the electorate. We now have many more people who were registered to vote, and people who are involved in the process of getting officials elected, and quality people are running and winning. And so I raise my glass to all of you and to the President, and stay involved, and let's do this again in 4 years. Cheers. Cheers. Well done. Cheers.